Imagine sitting still for 10 minutes a day and watching your pain disappear. Sounds like magic, but it's science. Meditation has been shown to reduce physical pain by nearly 40%. That's more effective than most painkillers. And that's just the beginning. With just a few minutes of meditation daily, your body and mind can transform in ways you never thought possible. Curious about how this works? Let's explore 10 incredible benefits meditation brings to your body. Number 1. Stress reduction. Meditating for 10 minutes daily can significantly reduce stress levels. When you meditate, your brain shifts from the high alert fight or flight state to more relaxed mode. This change activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps calm your mind and body. It's like giving your brain a mini vacation every day. The release of cortisol, the stress hormone, drops during meditation, making you feel more at ease and less overwhelmed by the daily grind. Here's a fun secret. Studies show that just 10 minutes of meditation can be as effective as taking a short nap. It's a quick reset button for your brain. People who meditate regularly often report feeling less anxious and more capable of handling stress, even in high-pressure situations. It's like building emotional resilience over time. Number 2. Improved focus and attention. Meditating each day improves your focus and attention span. In today's world, distractions are everywhere. From social media notifications to endless to-do lists, meditation trains your mind to be present, helping you resist the pull of distractions. After just a few days, you might notice that you're better able to concentrate on tasks, whether it's work, studying, or even conversations. A little-known fact is that meditation actually increases the thickness of your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for decision-making and focus. Imagine sharpening your brain with just 10 minutes a day. It's not magic, but it sure feels like it when you see your productivity go through the roof. Number 3. Better sleep quality. Do you struggle with falling asleep or waking up feeling unrested? Meditation might be the secret weapon you need. By meditating for 10 minutes a day, you're helping your brain wind down, making it easier to transition into a deep and restful sleep. Your body enters a more relaxed state, which can also reduce insomnia over time. A calm mind leads to better sleep, and better sleep means better days ahead. What's interesting is that meditation can even improve the quality of your REM sleep. That's the stage of sleep where dreaming happens and your brain processes emotions and memories. So while it might feel like a small habit, those 10 minutes can have a ripple effect on how well rested and rejuvenated you feel. Number 4. Enhanced self-awareness. Spending just a few minutes each day in meditation can help you become more aware of your thoughts, feelings, and reactions. It's like turning a mirror inward, allowing you to better understand your emotional triggers and mental habits. Over time, you start to notice patterns in your behavior, which can lead to healthier, more mindful decisions. It's a subtle shift, but a powerful one. Here's a secret. Many people who meditate daily report feeling more in tune with their bodies. That means they're quicker to notice when they're feeling tense, anxious, or even hungry. This self-awareness can lead to better physical health choices too, as you're more connected with your body's needs. Number 5. Reduced symptoms of anxiety. If anxiety is something you struggle with, meditating for 10 minutes a day can be a game changer. Meditation teaches you to sit with your thoughts without getting caught up in them. This practice can lower your overall anxiety levels, making it easier to manage feelings of worry or panic when they arise. The act of focusing on your breath or a simple mantra helps train your brain to stay grounded in the present moment. Here's something fascinating. Regular meditation can actually reduce the size of the amygdala, the part of your brain associated with fear and anxiety. So over time, your brain physically changes to become less reactive to stressors, making you more calm and composed in situations that would have once caused anxiety. Number 6. Increased emotional resilience. Meditating daily builds emotional resilience. Life is full of ups and downs, but meditation helps you navigate them with more grace and balance. When you meditate, you learn how to observe your emotions without being controlled by them. This practice helps you bounce back from setbacks more quickly and with less emotional turmoil. A lesser-known fact is that meditation can actually increase the production of serotonin, the feel-good hormone. More serotonin means you're not just more resilient, but also happier overall. Imagine being able to face challenges with a calm mind and a positive attitude, all thanks to a simple 10-minute habit. Number 7. Boosted immunity. It might sound surprising, but meditating for 10 minutes every day can actually give your immune system a boost. When you're stressed, your immune system becomes weaker, making you more vulnerable to illness. Meditation helps reduce stress, which in turn strengthens your immune response. So you're less likely to catch that cold going around, or at least your body will fight it off faster. A fun secret here is that meditation can even enhance the activity of natural killer cells, a type of white blood cell that helps fight off infections and cancer cells. It's like having a personal army inside your body, ready to defend against anything harmful. All this from just sitting still and focusing on your breath. Number 8. Lower blood pressure. If you've ever had your blood pressure spike from stress, you'll be happy to know that meditation can help. Meditating regularly has been shown to lower blood pressure by promoting relaxation and reducing the effects of stress on your heart. By calming your mind, you also calm your body, and this has a direct impact on your cardiovascular health. Here's a lesser-known fact. When you meditate, your body produces more nitric oxide, a molecule that helps widen blood cells, improving circulation and lowering blood pressure. Over time, this can have a profound effect on your overall heart health, reducing the risk of heart disease. Number 9. Better pain management. Believe it or not, meditating can help reduce feelings of physical pain. When you meditate, you're training your brain to process sensations differently. Instead of reacting strongly to pain, you learn to observe it without attaching strong emotional reactions. This shift can make pain feel less intense, whether it's a chronic condition or just a headache. Here's something interesting. Meditation actually changes the way your brain perceives pain. Studies have shown that regular meditation increases the gray matter in areas of the brain that regulate pain. So over time, you can become less sensitive to pain, making it a powerful tool for those dealing with chronic discomfort. Number 10. Increased happiness and well-being. Finally, one of the most exciting benefits of meditating for 10 minutes daily is the increase in overall happiness and well-being. Meditation promotes the release of dopamine and serotonin, the brain chemicals responsible for feelings of joy and satisfaction. It's like giving yourself a natural mood boost every day. People who meditate regularly often report feeling more content, peaceful, and satisfied with their lives. A fun fact to wrap things up. Studies have shown that meditation can increase the brain's gray matter in areas related to empathy, compassion, and self-awareness. So not only do you feel happier, but you're also more likely to connect with others on a deeper level. It's a win-win for your emotional and mental health. So there you have it. Just 10 minutes a day can unlock a world of benefits for your mind and body. Ready to give it a try? Trust me, your future self will thank you.